What's your name?
Somil Lahoti.
So how was the paper, Somil?
Paper was easy. Like I had attempted 100 questions from 120, but LR was also easy. But VA was different from the mocks I have written in IMS. It was totally different, like spelling mistakes and all like that.
So which section among the three would you say would be the challenging one?
Challenging, like I would not say challenging, but different again for VA because LR was easy, direct questions, and QA was also direct questions. Like one question was there where they were given height, breadth, and length, and find body diagonal. So direct questions were there in QA, but VA was a different.
So can you name a few types of questions in VA which were different from the normal ones?
Like spelling, correct the spelling, and then another was one was LR question in VA, and then RCs were there, but they had like direct from the text only. You have to choose it and answer.
So how closely did the exam pattern and difficulty level match the IMS mocks?
IMS mocks were like, if rating wise, IMS mocks were 5 on difficulty, and this Rohtak mock was 2.5.
So if you have done well in the IMS mocks, then what's the chance that you would have done well in this IP MAT Rohtak exam?
Yeah, definitely, because like due to difficulty, the time taking for solving a question also increases. But here the difficulty is less, so time taking for question also is less. With in the mock of IMS, it's like higher difficulty with more deep grasp of concept, and he has like on the like on the level of like top of the level of C, like not that deep concept.
So you say these questions were very direct and straightforward mostly.
Yeah, direct and straightforward. Yes.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.